Hello, in this video we show you how to remove and replace the cooling fans on Honda Accord. This car has two cooling fans. I'm going to be removing the right cooling fan, but removing the left cooling fan is exactly the same procedure. In order to remove the cooling fan, first we need to remove the bolts for the coolant tank. If the video is useful, please like and comment on the video and subscribe to the channel to see more videos like this. Next, we're going to remove the bolts holding the cooling fan on top. Next, we need to remove the two bolts holding the cooling fan on the bottom, but before we remove the bolts, we need to remove this under tray. Here the bolts holding the cooling fan on the bottom, we'll remove them and then we can take out the cooling fan. There are a couple of cables that are holding onto the cooling fan, so we need to remove them and then we'll take it out. And that's the cooling fan out. Now we can replace it with a new one. Thank you for watching.